guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making saltfish. So it's cook up saltfish. I don't know if it has like a specific name, but I just know it as cook up saltfish. We normally eat it with like ground provision, yam and stuff. So I'll be making some this morning. Right here I have tomato, onions, some scallion. This is the saltfish, pollock, codfish, whatever you call it. I have some black pepper and I have some hot sauce right there, and that is made, that's homemade. I have a video up, you can check it out. So we are just gonna get into it right now. Okay, so right here I have some vegetable oil heating up. The stove is on medium high heat, and then we're gonna add all our onions, scallion, and tomato to this right here. Okay guys, please remember that the codfish is salted, so you have to boil it first. Some people choose to soak it, but I boil it just to go a little faster. You just want to remove some of the salt from it. It all depends on you. If you want it to be salty, hey, go ahead, but I just boil it for at least 2 times. Well, not literally boil, but just let the water heat up over it, pour it off, add some fresh water on there, and go again until I get the saltiness that I like. Okay, so there you have it. We're gonna add this to the pot, so just let the oil heat up a little bit. So okay guys, so this is what's going on right now. I'm gonna add a little bit of my homemade pickle sauce, and this is just gonna give it another, a nice little taste right here. And remember guys, you can always use coconut oil, grapeseed oil, or those fancy oil, olive oil, whichever you choose. I'm using this because this is what I like, and a little bit of that right here. I like spice, so it all depends on you, yeah. Okay, now we're just gonna fry this up a little bit, and then we're gonna add the saltfish, codfish in there. Okay guys, so I added the saltfish in the pot. I'm working with one hand here, so I don't make sense. And it's like 8:42 in the morning, guys. I'm trying to get out the kitchen. Also, if you like your onions and all of that softer, you can actually fry it up for at least 5 minutes. I don't like when my onions and stuff are soft. I like crunch to it. So here you guys have it. I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper to it. You add the amount of black pepper that you like. Oh, shout out to Grace also. You guys have it. And there you guys have it. Or cook up saltfish, codfish. Yay.